Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change notification sound on Facebook Messenger app. To change the notification sound in the Messenger app, follow these steps. If you're using the iOS, open the Messenger app, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner to open the settings menu. Then tap on notifications and sound, tap on notification sound, choose a sound from the list of available tones, or tap none if you prefer no sound. You may need to confirm your selection or save changes depending on the version. If you're using the Android phone, which of course I am using right here, you need to launch the Messenger app on your Android device, which I have done right here. Now, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner to open the settings menu. So click on this keypad menu and it takes you over here. At the top right, just right next to your name, you have the settings wheel. Click on that and it takes you over here where you have a couple of features, a wide variety of options. So you have a couple of categories which include for family, services, preferences, safety. Head over to preferences where you have avatar, privacy and safety, notification and sound, photos and media, memories, free features, chat head. Now click on notifications and sound. Over here, you can make changes and manage the notification sound as you want. So for you to change it, you can head over to vibrate on ring or in-app sound or notification previews or group in Android Auto or even the ringtone. So you can click on that ringtone and change to any of the sound that you want. So you can change it. There are a couple of options from Nokia Tune to Umbriel. So you can change the sound from there, and you can also make changes and just manage your entire notification and sound from this window. Now, you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.